Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, during this video I'm going to show you how to install a dash cam, both front and rear component. So guys, before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now. So guys, when it comes to install the dash cam, it's pretty much plug and play configuration. You don't have to do anything much, rather than just like maximum it will ask you to put a memory card and some settings. If you don't want the default setting, that's what it does. But the main criteria is like how you can hide your wires, because that's very important, because you don't want wires to be hanging here there, because I have installed front as well as back component both. I will show you, you see. So both I have installed, and that's what I'm going to show you how. So most of these cameras come with this kind of glued surface. Okay, so you just take the wrap out, put it here, and it's going to be glued. So same you can do it front and back. And next point is to connect them. So a lot of these cams get powered through this cigarette lighter. Okay, so this wire, as you see, I have passed it along and I have kept it here, like beneath my seat it is going, and then it is going through here, as you can okay, I'll show you from scratch. Like one cables I'm just passing through here. If you just pull it down, there'll be space where you can put the wires in. And the camera I had purchased had like enough wiring. And see, for the back component, what I'm doing, I'm putting it here. Like I have taken this one out and I have put wire here. So all the way it is going from here till here, all the way back. You see that wire going? You see it is going. So I have just hidden the wire over here, and still it was too much, so I have kept some here. But you can insert more at these locations, and you can hide it completely inside the area as well. And you can also power it using a power bank if you just do not want to power it using car cigarette lighter. I have parking mode enabled, but I also do with this, so that there is no issue with this. And you know what guys, in order to install this, technicians were asking me like $100 something. I did it on my own for free. It's very simple. See that how I have passed the wire. You just need to connect the wire front and back, and then the final power cable to your car. Basically there will be one power cable, and then there will be another one power cable to the front component of your camera, one cable connecting to your rear component, and there will be a place for a memory card where you insert your memory card. And then it's absolutely good. You can play around with the settings like resolution, loop recording and other things, but it's good. That's how it works. Thanks for watching.